Can I record the session? Right. Okay. See here. Now, generally in market, we have two major. Okay, for automation, UTP, which is UFT now, and Selenium. Okay, Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so why I'm telling Selenium WebDriver means there we have Selenium RC IDE also. Okay, I'll be explaining you that one in class. If everything goes fine, I'll be telling why WebDriver, what was an RC, what is the difference between Selenium IDE, RC, WebDriver, all those things I'll be explaining in our regular classes. Okay, if everything is okay. Then apart from that, okay, and here both, right, let's say if we have, let's say in market if there are 10 positions, out of 10 positions, 8 positions are for Selenium only. Okay, because main thing is Selenium is open source. And here not only Selenium, see, once if you are learning with Selenium means Selenium with Java. Why I am telling with Selenium with Java means we know we can do Selenium with Python, we can do Selenium with Ruby, we can do Selenium with C Sharp, and Selenium with JavaScript also. Okay, but more is demand is Selenium with Java, and here and there I'm listening about Selenium with Python also. Somewhere some projects require. Okay, so I heard that it is easy also to learn. I am on the way to do, but there is more to learn in my thing also, because I am looking into RPA also. You know, right? Robotic process automation. So everyone see generally what is robotic process automation means, generally still it didn't hit the market, somewhere one, not even 1% or something like that. But they are expecting like something. There are disadvantages and advantages for that to come into the market also. Okay, let's not deviate to that. Coming to Selenium Java. Okay, so if you are learning Selenium with Java, so what is the advantage for you means, for you, because nowadays complete projects are, most of the market is on Java only. Okay, so here as part of Selenium we'll be covering core Java concepts, like basic, from basic I will start. Okay, like object, class, method, oops concept, strings, whatever, all those things, right? All those things I'll be covering. So once you know all those things, right? So if you learn Selenium with Java, then for us there are something other combinations also, like Selenium with Cucumber. Okay, this is also one tool, Cucumber tool. Okay, we can work with Selenium that one also. That is completely different. Behavior driven framework. Okay, behavior data driven framework or something like that. And you can do Appium also. Appium, which is for mobile testing, both iOS and Android. You can do, if you know Selenium with Java, right? Almost all similar to Selenium commands only. In Appium also, we will then be learning. Okay, so why I'm telling all those things is, so if you are learning one, then remaining is only when you are starting at the base only is, once if you are strong at base, right, then remaining everything is somewhat easy. You can, it won't be like something Greek and Latin and you're seeing it for first time, something like that. It won't be. Okay, so these are all will be some advantages for you in future whenever if you want to learn Cucumber or Appium, all those things, that will be easy for you. Okay, cool. Then coming apart from this, okay, let's say coming to Selenium with Java, right? What we'll be covering is, yes, Selenium core Java, obviously complete Selenium concepts in WebDriver. Selenium is like a Selenium concept, advanced concept, all those things. Then we have a framework like a TestNG. Okay, TestNG is something like framework for unit testing or something. Developers will tell it's for unit testing, but here TestNG here for Selenium will use like some framework. So in that we can do some. There will be some advantages of TestNG that will be that we will come across in all the class. Before TestNG there was a JUnit. Okay, that is something like we can tell it is a framework. Okay, and coming to Maven. What is a Maven? It is just a build tool. Okay, just build a tool means, what we can tell me, generally whatever we are doing like human time. Let's say, for example, don't think this one is example. Let's say I want to install software in 10 systems manual. Okay, when manually you're doing 10 in 10 systems, you're installing manually step 1, 2, 3 like that. But if you have Maven, right, automatically that can be placed in every system at a time. Okay, if you have a project Maven, then it's very easy to, we can keep 100 systems also on work. Okay, that is main thing. And Jenkins. Jenkins is a continuous integration tool. Okay, see, these are all up to here only. You'll be having coding part. This Maven, Jenkins, all these things are some just what we can say integration tools which helps us more. Okay, which is added advantage for our all the projects. Okay, any question, Dikshit?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, and here about here also will be explained like different frameworks like we can make like keyword driven. There are different frameworks, keyword, data driven. So both the combination of data driven and keyword is hybrid framework. And so there is another one like page object model. All those things will be I'll be explaining all those things, and I'll be showing you some page object model for you. Just it's a simple one, and I'm trying to create a small project, a small thing with the keyword driven also. I'll try to show for that also for you, because and why I'm telling that I'll explain more on this only theoretically, because as you are experienced, let's say you are keeping 3+ experience or 4+ experience, right? They're not going to expect you, they're not going to expect more things in framework from you, because even I am when I am 8+ also, right? When if there is 8+ people only, they'll be expecting some more things from framework. But up to 5, 6 also, they won't expect anything framework. But you need to know what framework, why we are using all those things. Because whenever you're going to interview, right? So whenever you're going to any other company, they'll expect that whatever you worked previously, they won't bother. Whatever framework you are, they'll just expect you how knowledge, how good are you to frameworks, or what knowledge you have on framework. Because you need to go to, because you are not going and creating a new framework in any company. Already there will be created a framework with a high experience architects. Okay, they'll be done and the project will be going. What you have to do is you have to go and understand that framework, and you have to do addition, deletion, and updating all those things. Okay, that's why we need to understand this one also. But okay, but still some I'll be showing what is page object model, something how to create that also I'll show you. No problem. Okay, these are all those things I'll be explaining for you in as part of Selenium Jira. Jira. And if you need some management tools also, I'll explain like Jira, which is a management tool. We have different management tools like Jira, version 1, Bugzilla, all those things. Generally, when we come across like manual plus Selenium, right? So this is all the structure. Okay, but still I'll show you some screens, or if there is a some trial version of Jira, how we create issue. Maybe I think I don't know whether you have idea or not about this. Maybe your training of manual testing, maybe I don't know whether it's covered or not. But generally, I'll give you some brief idea on this also. Okay, this is what we'll be
Okay.
going to cover all those. Any questions still here?
Yeah, when I took the training, right, on manual testing, it was not assigned by trainer actually.
Mhm.
I learned on my own. The only thing which was done by said trainer was learning SQL commands, like SQL, basically.
Mhm.
So yeah, I'm just giving you a heads up that I don't really
Okay.
knowledge on Jira or Bugzilla.
Okay. Okay. Fine. I'll be showing that one also. Okay. So here, this is what we are going to cover completely. Clear, right? So I'll be sending you the course content also after the meeting. Okay, just ping me your mail ID. I'll be doing that also. Okay.
Okay,
So
definitely.
here, any questions?
Nope.
Okay. Cool. So now coming to here, what is manual testing? What is automation testing? Okay, you know something manual. What you're going to automation? What made you to go to automation?
Right.
Okay, any idea?
Yeah. Places where you have to do all the testing in a repeated manner.
Hmm.
One and testing where you'll have to you'll have to test a large amount of data, which are like complicated, also
Yeah.
complicated.
Yes. Good. Okay. You're almost near, and the points are valid points only, because main thing is regression testing. Okay. You may have a point in manual testing, right? Regression testing, which is very, very, very important. Okay. So regression testing means, let's say when we are coming to automation, once once your application is stable only, then you are coming to automation. Because whenever you want to do repeatedly your application working or not, or if you want to do in a different browsers, or you want to work like 100 test cases, every time manual to execute 100 test cases is going to take more time, right? Which is already done. When you are doing manual testing, yeah, obviously how to do. But even once the application is stable, also again we need, whether you, let's say you want to check whether everything is working fine or not. Again, you need to check 100 test cases. It's not possible. But if you convert all those things into automation test cases, then it's easy to run and see whether everything is working or is breaking, somewhere is breaking or not. Okay.
Right.
Cool. So let's see here. Okay. Now we will see one manual test case how to do. Let's say, for example, I will take Facebook page. So here my manual test case is, I want to navigate to Facebook page and I want to enter username, password. So like I want to do verification of login page or login function. So just entering the URL, entering username, password, clicking on button. Okay. So how will be our manual test case? Let's say first point, open browser. What is the browser? Let's take in our case Chrome. Okay. Second one, enter URL. What URL? FD URL. Enter username. Okay, let's say XYZ. Enter password. Let's say XYZ. Click on login button. Close the browser. Is this the way how you write your test case?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, you know how to test cases, right?
Yeah.
You know test cases, test scenarios, I think all those things you are aware of. Okay. This is called, here I'm writing only steps. Okay, but there will be like a test description, step 2, these are the steps to reproduce, and expected result, actual result, all those things will have a big template only. Okay, but here we are writing only steps, because this here in manual we will do it as a manual, I will call it as a manual test case. If I'm converting all those things into automation, then we'll call it as a test script. Okay. Some people in interview they ask that how many test script you have written, all those something like. Okay, and there is nothing difference between test case and test script. In manual testing, we'll call it as a test case, and automation will call it as a test script. Clear? Now what we will do is we'll try to convert this manual test case into automation testing through Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So before going to WebDriver, so let's see what are the prerequisites we need to work with Selenium WebDriver. What are the things? Okay. We need Java to be downloaded, Eclipse, whatever version or latest versions to be downloaded. Two softwares. And apart, we need Selenium jobs to be downloaded. Okay. We need driver exe files to be downloaded. I'll be showing you all those things from where you need to download all those things. Okay. And yeah, okay, fine. Okay. Okay. So let's say here, let's say somewhere I have done some demo. You know this folder structure.
Sorry, your voice is again breaking now.
Oh, I don't know. From this room only, I'm telling a lot of plus, but I don't know. Maybe internet problem or something. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you know this folder structure?
No.
Okay, fine. So we'll create one project clearly. See here. First one, go to File, New, Create Java Project. Project name, let's say Demo 12. Okay, finish. See here, created. It created with source file and some libraries. You don't need to worry about this file. Some source file it created. Now you need to create a package. Right click on source, new package. Let's write like package 1 only. Okay, you can give any names. And now you need to create classes. Right click on package, new Java class. Class 1, what will tell like this? Okay, Selenium, you can write, okay, Selenium 1 or something, you can take as a class. Okay, click public if you need it and keep here. Okay, see here. First create a project, now creating a package. So in one project, you can create multiple packages. Package 1, package 2, package. And in one package, we can create multiple classes. Selenium 1, Selenium 2, Selenium, all those. You see here, right? In one package, I created multiple classes. I can create one more package also here. Okay, that is the folder structure of, okay, in Eclipse. Project, in that package, in package classes. Okay, fine. Now what I'll do is, I told you we need Selenium jars, right? Why I need Selenium jars means, let's say I want to open the browser, right? For opening browser, I have a code like WebDriver, some object. I can write any object. Let's say Dikshit. Okay, I'll write some Dik. Okay, Dikshit. Okay, no problem. Sorry if my is a spelling mistake. Okay, WebDriver is equal to new Chrome. I'm giving control space. After Chrome, I'm not writing complete Chrome driver, and if I'm seeing here, I'm getting no default proposals. Okay, because we need to add here Selenium jars, because Selenium jars is heart of the for a Selenium web, because this IDE is only for our environment. Okay, but in IDE we won't get the IDE is not our Selenium. If we add our Selenium jars to the project only, then it will support us to work with Selenium. I will show you how only. Okay. So go to here, and here if you go Selenium jars download, just search like that, and if you see here download Selenium, www.seleniumhq.org download. Go to this page. You can see here download latest version like 3.9.1. Once you click on this, it will be automatically downloaded to you. Like, see here, Selenium 5. Selenium server standalone, something like that will be downloaded. Okay, you need to download this one. Okay, and go here. And I told you, see here, Selenium Java, Selenium C#, Selenium Ruby, Python, all. You can download here also. Okay, here you get more files, library for more jar files. Here you get only one. Okay, let's take for now from here only. Okay, I took from here only one file I'm getting, which is for us easy to do that. If you need to work with Selenium, all those things, you need to download. Apart from that, I need some driver exe files. See here, Mozilla Gecko driver, which is Firefox driver, Chrome driver, Opera, Ghost, HTML unit. And if you need IE, right, IE will be here, 32-bit and 64. And let's say if I want Google Chrome driver, I click on this 2.33. Automatically, I will get this one. Which one? See here, I'll get a zip file as Chrome driver underscore win32. And if I extract, I get this driver. Chrome driver exe. This is a exe file. Okay. Now I should why what is the necessary why you are showing all those things? Yes, I'll tell you. Come here. Now what I will do? I will just right click on this one. How to add Selenium jars to project? Right click, build path, configure build path, class path, add external jars, Selenium standalone, open, apply and close. Now what I will do is, I have done right. Now what I'll do is, I'll do control space. See here, I got all those things. Chrome driver. Let's say I want Firefox. Control space. I should not write completely. Automatically it should give me Firefox driver. Let's say I need IE. So I am not writing anything. Everything Selenium jars is giving me. Okay. Internet Explorer driver. Okay. So for now, I will take Chrome driver. Okay, if I giving Chrome driver, it will open in Chrome driver. Okay, and now here I have some error. I am getting some error, but I don't know what is that. Just place your cursor here, and it will tell that change to WebDriver or that open to that. Means what it is telling is, if you write in this way only, I will support, or else I won't support. That's it, right? If there is any tool, what they will tell, you have to work in this way only, then only I will support. These are my rules. Okay, this is already established and someone worked and they proved that we are converting all manual testing concepts into like a drop downs or anything into automation. But you have to use me in a separate way, or whether how I work, in which way I will work. Okay, so that we need to know what to work, how to work with this particular. Okay, now I write this one. Now, before that, I'll write like system dot set property. Okay, here what I'm doing is just I'm giving which browser I am working on, what is that browser, where is the browser exe file. Okay, I'll write like webdriver dot chrome dot driver. And here what I should give is, I should give path of this one. Which one? This one, this path I have to give. Okay. Anyhow, I have given here. That's why we will take from here. Okay. Go here. Sorry, test one. Sorry, student. Okay, I think I deleted somewhere. Another here. Okay, no problem. What we will do here? We will go and take here only. Right click this one. Properties. Take this path. And this path, as it didn't give us completely here, chrome.exe also we have to take. Okay, go here. Okay, chrome driver.exe. Right, these two steps tell us to open the Chrome driver browser. Let's see whether it is opening or not. Run as Java application. See here, starting Chrome driver 2.33, something like that, and it is opening the browser. And it's not, give me 1 minute, I have a started. Okay, Dikshit, did you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any
Yes,
question?
sir.
Any question still here?
Nope.
So like folder structure, how to add jar files. You know, do you see right? What is the difference between without adding jar files and after adding jar files?
Yeah.
So see, now I'm telling you, enter URL. Okay, next you need to enter URL. Okay, go here. Now what I'll do is just as everything is there in Dikshit now, complete Chrome driver elements are everything are there in Dikshit. Okay, and what I'll do is just Dikshit here got all the methods, all the things, whatever you can get. But now we enter URL. Just process. Okay, dot just get. Okay, in this you give your URL. Just copy your URL. Control C. Go here. Paste. Okay, just we need to use dot get because we know that they have given an option for us like to enter the URL. You need to use a dot get method. Now we'll run and see whether it is entering the URL or not. Then
Yes, sir.
okay. Next step. Okay. Now you done URL. Okay, very good, fine. Next step is I want to enter username. Okay, I want to enter username. Okay. So 1 minute, let me close this one. Okay. Now I want to enter username. Now go here. See, it is a URL, right? So I have only one bar. That's why it identified and it is entered here directly. But now I want to enter data here. There are so many text fields. How can I identify this text field and how can I enter the data into this exactly? Okay, that is challenge, right? That is what if you have each of text fields also. Every text field are you will be having properties. See, let's say Dikshit. Even there are 10 Dikshits also, you will be having your own properties. What is the Dikshit height, weight, color, and so where he works and different. These are all our. We can tell us like our properties. Similarly, every web element, all these things are web element. All these web elements also will be having some properties. To find these properties, we have one add-on, that is Firebug, which supports only in Firefox browser. We need to just add on. We need to just go here, add-ons, and we need to just install that one. It's only 1 minute job. I'll be showing that one later. Okay. What this Firebug will do is it will identify the properties of the elements. Okay. So to identify the elements, we have different locators. Different locators for the web elements like ID, name, class, type, XPath, CSS, link text, partial link text, like this so on. We have this all these things are some different type of locators in Selenium to identify the web element properties. Okay, now go here. Just what you can do is click on this Firebug. If you see at bottom of the page, one thing will be open for you. Okay. Now let's say I want to enter data in this email or phone text field. Click this pointer and go and highlight whatever you need. See, you can highlight anything. So now if I highlight this one, if you see here, right, I'm getting all the properties here. XPath, ID value is email, class input text, name email, and some type email, all those things I'm getting. CSS I can select from here also. Okay, for no need to go there. As part of demo, we can take any one property and we can identify this element. Okay, now for example, I'll take ID as a property. What is the ID locator value? Email is the value. You can just copy that one. Okay, go here. All right, what we are doing here, finding the element properties. Dikshit dot find element. Don't type completely also. Just write, you should get find element. We have different locators, right? By which locator? By dot. See here, all these are different type of locators. Now I am selecting ID. What is ID? I copied from there. It is a email. Okay. Now I identified the text field. Now I want to send the data into text field. What method? There will be one more. There will be some methods, right, to do that one. If there are no any methods, we can't do automation. Alright. Dot send keys abc@gmail.com. This is how you need to do. In complete Selenium, you will be identifying the elements. You need to use the methods. Okay, how to use, when to use, what to use, These are all these three are our challenges. Okay, Selenium has given all the feasibility to do us. Okay, right click, run as Java application. Starting Chrome driver, opening the browser, enter the URL. Yes, enter the username. Done. Dikshit, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Fine. Next, I want to enter the password. How can I enter the password? Can you tell me now?
We'll have to we'll have to take the uh, type email. We'll have to select the password element.
Yes, perfectly. You need to go and select the password. See here, you will get again a password related property values. Here, let's
Right.
take, for example, I took ID, right? Now I will take name. Okay, Control C. Go here. Again, same script. Okay, right. Dikshit dot find element by dot name. So name is there, right? What is there in there? Pass. Okay.
Yeah.
Dot send keys. Write some X, Y, Z. Okay. We'll run and see again. Open the browser. Perfect. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Now we need to click on login button. Again, what is that? Again, same story. Go here. Click on login. Inspect the login button. Okay. So here, okay, you should take ID. Okay. Here there is some mistake. It's highlighting, but we need to take login button as a ID. Okay. As I am working long back, I know, right? We should take this one. Big sheet. Okay. Dot find element by dot ID login button. Now what you will write? After sending data, you use dot send keys method, right? Now I want to click a button. What you have to, what you can do? Can you press Dikshit?
Send keys.
Why send keys? We are not sending any data, right? Now we are clicking. I need to click a button. Manually, what we'll do? We'll click a button. Here, what you
Right.
do?
Select.
No. Here also there will be one method. That's why without confusion, what they have given click method only. Okay. In order to confuse, people will confuse, right? Now let's make a user friendly methods only. That's why they created like this. Okay. If they use another names, right, it will be more difficult for us. So they are doing something, inventing anything, it should be user friendly. If it's very difficult, right? Why people will choose this one? Right? So that directly dot click on as Java application. Password, click on login. Done. Dikshit,
Yeah.
this is a
Yes, sir.
complete our scenario and we need to close the browser, right? Yes. For browser, we can't inspect elements. For browser type or for URL, these are some common things will be that we can't inspect element. Okay. So directly what we will do to close the browser, Dikshit dot close. That's it. Simple. And let me run the scenario. So similarly, we will be working for drop downs, radio buttons, different ways to work with the real time ways, different ways for working, selecting drop down. Then right, closed completely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is how we converted complete our manual test case into automation test script. Okay. So in this way only similarly continuously. So what is Selenium web driver? Completely manual. If you have radio buttons or if you need links, how you can select links? How many ways you can select? We have a drop down. How to select drop down? How many ways? Radio buttons. How? How many ways? Okay. These navigation buttons, links, text, like mouse over. See, mouse over, like if you see when I'm facing Facebook, go to Facebook home is the tooltip. How to capture the tooltips, how to work forms, how to work with frames, how to work with alert pop-ups, how to work with Excel sheet, how to work with text file, how to get data, how to retrieve it, how to work with dynamic tables. All those things, whatever you are working in manual as a small project, completely everything will be doing. We need to do, and we have to do in complete Selenium. Okay,
Okay.
this is what we are going to cover as part of complete Selenium. Then after that, coming to next level is TestNG framework. Then Jenkins, all those things will be covered. Right? That is where when we're converting all manual test cases into automation test cases. test script. Any questions, Dikshit?
Not so far.
Is it clear everything or how? Any confusion or something like stuff? Something?
Yeah, it is still beginning, right? I'll have to understand more.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, obviously. But see, this is very, very simple way, and I'll be telling as a low level. Okay, it's not difficult or something. At least for me, or I know I can understand that for you to be somewhat high. Anyone is starting it will be difficult, but at least okay, how it is happening, how we are doing. Okay, this is all this in like step by step process. Okay, here nothing.
okay.
I have written a code completely. JAR supported me, and I am writing the code with help of JARs. Like that, you need to do step by step. Then it will be clear. Okay.
Okay.
So this is
Okay, sir.
so we'll